Hi, I'm Daniel from Best Buy Store 281. Welcome to the lab. Today I'm going to talk about the Samsung Family Hub. It's a smart refrigerator that has a screen right on the door. My little boy Camden, he loves blueberries. That's his favorite thing. He calls them bobos. If I'm at the store and I can't remember if I have certain ingredients, I can always open the app on my phone and check to see what's inside my fridge. Inside the hub, there's 3 cameras that will take a picture every time the door is closed. I got butter. I can look on my phone and check to see if there's any blueberries, and if not, of course, I'm gonna pick up like 7 packs of blueberries. My favorite thing about the Samsung Family Hub is how easy it makes meal planning. I can search recipes, plan family meals, and grocery shop all right on the hub. I like to make a lot of different things. My favorite food is pasta, so I could eat pasta all day long. After you select a recipe, you can send all the ingredients you need right to your shopping list. If I don't feel like going to the store, I can order grocery delivery on the Family Hub. If you want to know more, come see me. We'll talk. Thanks for stopping by the lab. See ya.